welcome to Nanasafricantv.
Hello kids, Akwaba. We are learning some new TWI words with the TWI alphabet P, S, T, W, and Y. Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Let's learn. P, Ponko,
Horse.
Preko,
Pig.
Posna,
Octopus.
Praye,
Broom.
Sisire,
Bear.
Safwa,
Key.
Sikain,
Knife.
Semina,
Soap.
Sapo,
Sponge.
Sika,
Money.
T, Tetrema,
Tongue.
Tuntum,
Black.
Tre Krum Krum,
Holy Bible.
Trine,
Drum.
Tetia,
Ant.
Takra,
Feather.
Wo, Wiemshane,
Aeroplane.
Wowa,
Bees.
Wiase,
World.
Ye, Yoma,
Camel. Let's do the recap.
Kadimechi, Ponko,
Ponko.
Preko,
Preco.
Posna,
Posna.
Praye,
Prayer.
Sisire,
Sisire.
Safwa,
Safwa.
Sikain,
Sikain.
Semina,
Samina.
Sapo,
Sapo.
Sika,
Sika.
Tetrema,
Tetrama.
Tuntum,
Tum Tum.
Tre Krum Krum,
Tre Krum Krum.
Trine,
Trini.
Tetia,
Tetia.
Takra,
Takra.
Wiemshane,
Wimshane.
Wowa,
Wuwa.
Wiase,
Wiase.
Yoma.
Yuma. Fantastic!
Moya dear.
Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.